Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to do the junk journal giveaway, and today is the big day. So here's the box that I'm going to be giving away. It's the junk journal that I built along with all the ephemera that I have included, including napkins, laces, trims, tissue paper, all kinds of stuff. So it's all in here and it's ready for you if you are the winner. So I am going to choose the winner, but real quick, what I wanted to do first was, since the vast majority of my viewers and subscribers are due to my tea bag embellishment video or videos, because I actually have two of the same one, I decided to include some of my tea bag embellishments in the prize. So here's just a few. This one's got a butterfly on this side and on this side. This one's got a tea kettle and a little clock. And we've got another butterfly. Start doing things that you love. Start doing things you love. And I hope you like grungy, because these are super grungy, with the patina from the tea and the glue and the sewing around it. So here's the ones that we've got. Okay, so that is that. And now I'm going to go ahead and choose the winner. I'll put this back here in a second. I'm going to do this very simply. I'm going to choose a random number out of all the people who commented. So here's how we're going to do it. I have listed everybody that commented and wrote them down. There were only 6, so there's not very many to choose from, but we're going to let Siri go ahead and pick a number between 1 and 6. So one of these people will be the one to win the box. So let's take a look. Pick a number between 1 and 6. Okay, the number is 6. So Karen Young 2855, you are the winner of the junk journal giveaway. So please give me an email and let me know what your address is so I can send this to you. It needs to be an actual house address because of it being a box. I don't think it's going to fit in a P.O. box, so I need your whole address. And here is my email. I'll write it down. Okay, Karen, here is the email. It's gmcgrady@gmail.com. And you can take a screenshot of that, or you don't have to if you don't want to, because I'll put it down in the description box below. So I'll give you a few days to go ahead and let me know what your address is so I can send this out to you. And if I don't hear from you, I'll go ahead and make another video and choose another winner. So congratulations, Karen Jong, or is it Young? I'm sorry if I pronounced it improperly, but in any case, congratulations, and I'll see you next time in my next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.